pwede ka na maging brand ng aircon sa lamig.
Buy now. AZ Aircon.
AZ Aircon.
AZ Aircon. Parang gusto ko gawan yun ng theme song.
Go.
AZ Aircon.
O tapos? Bakla matulog lang tayo.
Okay. Baka mag-snow yung TikTok mo.
Nagyayelo nga yung cellphone ko eh.
Hindi pala overtemp. Hindi uminit.
Nag-overfreeze na siya.
AZ, let's go. Let's go home.
Go home. Oh. Basag yung salamin namin.
AZ, stop. Laro kayo. AZ, matulog ka na. Buksan mo na yung AC. Ang lamig. AZ, patulugin mo na si Kira. Sige na. Okay na.
Okay na.
Kakantahan ko pa sana si Kira eh.
Wait lang, bumalik siya. Bakitin ko pa ba? Huwag na.
Bumalik siya?
Bumalik
Sana
siya.
all.
Sana all bumabalik.
Uy.
Ay. Bumalik ka na. Mag-good night ka na, boys.
Lullaby.
Pa.
Rock.
Oy, mag-good night lang ako. I'm gonna go to sleep na rin.
Very good.
Good night.
I got my clothes na. Yay.
Oh my god, I haven't even got my stuff ready for tomorrow.
Hala.
Tara, let's play dress up.
Sige.
Tama ka na, bakla. Tama
Good
na.
night.
Good night, guys.
Yeah.
Ingat kayo tomorrow.
Mukha ko yung malaki.
Ay, sorry. Hindi pala to.
You know.
Good night.
Night.
Good night.
Salamat ng marami sa lahat ng tumutok sa aming
Sleep well.
walang kwentang live tonight. They had fun.
Ito na.
Ang haba na siguro ng screen record you guys.
Kaya nga eh. Diba? Ayan, nasa Twitter na yan mamaya.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Ingat.
Love you, Kirs. Love you, Josh. Bye-bye.
Love you guys.
Good
Love
night.
you.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
See you on Saturday.
Saturday. Bye-bye. Oh, sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye.